Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Polkawallet account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Polkawallet account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The main homepage of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Create Account option. On the next page, select any one of the options on how you would like to back up your mnemonics and tap on it. Here I'm gonna go with Substrate account. On the next page, click on Next option. Note down your mnemonics and click on Next. Confirm your mnemonics by keeping it in the right order and click on Next. Now enter your name, create a password for your Polkawallet account and confirm your password by re-entering it, then tap on Next. Tick mark on the box if you'd like to enable fingerprint or Face ID. After you're done, it will take you to the home page of your Polkawallet account, and that's how you'll be able to sign up for your Polkawallet account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.